Today we're making an all-time favorite dessert, a gooey dark chocolate brownie with caramel sauce. So for making gooey dark chocolate brownies, we have with us 200 grams of butter and 200 grams of dark chocolate. Now I'm going to mix this together, and I shall keep this bowl on a bain-marie or water bath as it is commonly known. And now we wait for this to melt completely, stirring occasionally. Once all the chocolate and butter has melted, we take it off the heat. And now we add in 4 eggs, 1 egg at a time. Let's start with egg 1. Now goes in a tablespoon of vanilla essence. Now we add in about 360 grams of light brown sugar. Whisk the sugar in. Now we sieve in about 260 grams of all-purpose flour, followed by a teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of salt. Now we whisk everything together. And now I'm going to pour this mixture in a chilled buttered pan. We tap this on the surface to get rid of any air bubbles. And now we keep this in the fridge to chill for about 20 minutes. Now that this is chilled, it goes in the oven for 40 minutes at 160 degrees. To make caramel sauce, we pour sugar in a pan on a high flame. We spread it out and wait for it to melt. This can also be done with white caster sugar. At a safe distance, pour in cream. Immediately, mix the caramel and cream together. When it all comes together, we take it off the heat and mix in a little bit of butter. And to stop the sugar from cooking any further in the hot pan, we pour it into a container. And the caramel sauce is done. Now we leave it to cool for 10 minutes before we cut it into pieces. So we first trim the edges. And now let's cut the pieces. So there you have it, a gooey dark chocolate brownie with a salted caramel sauce. Enjoy!